everything there is to understand. God doesn't have to make it clear to me anymore. Because I struggle with that sometimes. God doesn't have to give me all the answers. And when I labor in the Word, even though I don't understand, and sometimes even when I'm in the Word, He don't give me that answer. But my victory is in my faith, because I have learned to accept God's will, whatever it is. And in those times that it's difficult for me, I ask the Lord to help me to accept His will. You know, whether I live or die, I'm still going to win. So my victory is my faith walk, regardless what it seems, what they're saying. And one thing I asked the Lord to show, I says, now, I don't care what people think of me or what they're saying about me, but let them see the Christ in me. That's all I want.
Amen.
Because I have committed my life. I have told the Lord, whatever your will is, show me how to do it. I don't want to just be a person just to say it. I want to walk the walk and talk the talk. And everywhere I go, that's what I do.
Oh, we love you.
And I tell you this, ladies, and then I'll sit down. Every morning that you wake up, especially you young people, because y'all, I have a passion for young people, because we won't go in the other part, y'all understand. But whatever you do in your life, understand this, that if you trust God, even if you say, Lord, I don't understand, just trust Him. He will guide you, He will lead, and He will direct you. Because every morning that you wake up is an opportunity to know Him, to serve Him, to tell others about Him. Every morning that you wake up, aches, pains, whatever, that's your opportunity to know God. And where you all are at right now, I didn't get there until I was like in my 30s. So you all have the Word, stand on it, trust God, and believe that God can when we can't.
Amen.
Amen.